Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to my maths online class. So in our last class we discussed how to find out LCM of given numbers, right? So today let's discuss exercise 4.5. So all of you open your books, page number 47. Okay, let's start. Question number 1. Find the LCM of the following numbers by listing the multiples. So we already discussed in our previous class about how to find out LCM by listing the multiples. So I am going to do one example for you. You have to do the others. Okay, see, I am going to do this. See, we have to write multiples of 6 and 15. So before you go for the to find out multiples, you should remember all the multiplication table up to 1 to 20. Okay, then to find out multiples will be easier for you. Okay students, so remember the multiplication table and continue reading the multiplication table. Multiples of 6 are 6 ones are 6, 12. So I have written up to 10th multiple of 6. Now I am going to write multiples of 15. So I have written up to 4th multiples of 15. Why? Because I have already got the common multiples between 6 and 15. See, 30. 30 is common in both the two numbers. 30 is the common multiple and also 60 is the common in both. If we write multiples further, then we will definitely get other multiples and other common multiples, but that is not necessary because we have to find out LCM, lowest common multiple. So lowest means which is the least among all the multiples. So we found 30. 30 is the LCM of 6 and 15 because this is the smallest among all the multiples. Okay, see, therefore LCM is equal to 30. Understand? So I have done this for you. You have to do the others. See, question number 2. Find the LCM of the following numbers by listing the multiples. So same method we have to apply to find out multiples of these given numbers. See, I am going to take example A. See, we have to write first multiples of all these three numbers. See, multiples of 2 are 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 6, 8, 5 are 10, 2 tens are 20. So we can also write further, but not necessary. Now see, multiples of 3 are 3 ones are 3, 6, 9. I have written up to 10th multiple of 3 also. Now see, multiples of 4 are I have also written multiples of 4 up to 10th multiple 40. Okay, now see, among all these multiples, what are the common multiple? See, 2 is not common. 4 is also multiple of 2 and also 4 is the multiple of 4, but in the multiples of 3 4 is not available, so we can't take this. 6 is the multiple of both 2 and 3 but not 4, so this is discarded. 8, no, 10, 12. See, 12 we have found 12 in the multiples of 2, 3 and 4 also, so this is common. Okay, see, 18, no, 20, no. So we have got the common multiple which is 12. Okay, this is the common multiples among all this. Okay, if you want to find out other common multiple, then see 24 is present in multiples of 4, 24 is also present in multiples of 4, and we know that 24 is also a multiples of 2. Further, 11th multiple, 2 11s are 22, 2 12s are 24. So see, we have got another multiple which is common, 24. Among these two, which is the lowest? Our only focus is to in the lowest common multiple. So 12 is the lowest. Therefore, LCM of 2, 3, 4 is equal to 12. Understand? Like this, do the others. Okay. Question number 3. Find the LCM of the following numbers by prime factorization method. We have to use prime factorization method to find the LCM of these given numbers. See, I am taking the example A. We are going to find out LCM of these two numbers by using prime factorization. We discussed about how to find out prime factorization of numbers. See, we can use division method. 12 is divisible by 2. 2 is a prime number. We try to start from the lowest prime number. Okay, so we check whether the given number will be divisible by the lowest prime number or not. 2. So 12 is divisible by 2. 2 6 is 12. 6 is also divisible by 2. 3. Again, division of 18. See whether this is divisible by 2 or not. Yes, this is divisible by 2. 9. 9 is divisible by another prime number which is 3. Therefore, prime factorization of 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. Prime factorization of 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. See, which are the prime number common in both these two numbers? 2 is common and 3 is also common. Therefore, LCM is equal to, between these two, we will take only 1, 2. 2 and 3. 3 is common in both the numbers, so we will take only 1 3. Again, this is the rest prime numbers. So after multiplying all this, I have got 36. So 36 is the LCM of 12 and 18. Okay, so that is how we can use prime factorization method to find out LCM of any numbers. Understand? So like this, do the others. Okay, these are your homework. Question number 4. Find the LCM of the following numbers by common division method. We discussed about how to find out LCM by using common division method in our last class. So if you did not watch the last class video, then go through the link and watch the video, and after that do this all. I will do one example for you. Okay, so we are going to find out LCM of these two numbers by using common division method. Okay, in common division method, we will divide by the smallest prime number. See, check whether these two are divisible by smallest prime number or not. These are not divisible by the smallest prime number 2, because here one's position odd number is present. Okay, so check by 3. We know 3 5s are 15, 3 15s are 45. These two numbers are divisible by 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are. So see, we have got the prime numbers. Okay, now Therefore LCM is equal to 3 into 5 into 3, 15, 45. So this is the answer. 45 is the LCM of 15 and 45. Okay, so like this do the other examples. Okay, so students, it's your today's class. We will discuss question number 5, 6 and 7 in our next class. If you have any confusion regarding today's class, contact me. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day ahead.